Hey guys, how's it going? This is Geoff Shackley, drum instructor here at Freeway Music. Today I would like to show you one of my favorite stickings that I like to use for either fills or when I'm playing solos or anything like that. So the basic idea here, it is a 5-note grouping, and the basic way to play this, the basic way that I stick this is right, left, right, left, left. Typically, I accent those singles, so right, left, right, and then keep the doubles a little bit quieter. Left, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left. So typically when I end up using this, I play regular 16th notes. Remember, 16th notes, if you think about them, they're typically, like groups of 2s, groups of 4s, so that it fits evenly in a bar. So when you play with groups of 5s, it opens up cool opportunities to play over the bar line and have interesting, weird little grooves in there and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun to play with. You can keep it all on one surface. You can move it around between some different surfaces. Sometimes I even like to switch out the quiet double on my left hand. I like to switch that out for a double on the kick drum just to get a different sound, a different sonic option. So let me show you just kind of what this sounds like, and then we can look at it in context a little bit. So that way you got a chance to hear, like I said, you can play it all on one individual surface. You can move it around between some different surfaces, switching out the kick instead of the quiet double on the snare drum. And lots of options here. So let me actually play this in context with like a groove, using it as a fill or, an extended or small solo option. Let's listen to a little bit of that here. Sorry for that long one. I'm pretty sure I lost the timing. That might not have been on an exact number one downbeat. So I apologize. But accidents happen, and people get carried away. So there's the basic idea. You can use it, again, in fills and stuff like that. Or if I were to use it in a solo, it might sound something like this. Now, again, this is mixed in with other ideas, so you can just kind of hear how it goes. So again, a couple different ways that you can take the idea. Another thing that I like to do is you can actually add a bass note to this sticking. You can either put it at the end, at the beginning or the end. And now you turn that 5-bar phrase or 5-note phrase into a 6-note phrase. And that just kind of changes the movement and the feel of it overall. You can keep it as regular 16th notes, but typically when I end up doing that, it becomes more of a 16th note triplet kind of phrase. So normally I like to put it at the end. I don't know why. I just kind of like that one end a triplet kind of feel. But here's a way. Here you can listen to a little bit of that too. So again, there's lots of different things that you can do with this. You can change all the voicings. You can change which hands you use. Whatever you choose, but have fun with it. It's just interesting. It's something that makes you kind of think a little bit. Like I said, with it being an odd set of notes typically when we usually play in even amounts of phrases. So there is your sticking for the day, something fun to play with. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, keep watching. You can either look for me or any of our other teachers on any of the other instruments that we have. We're trying to put things out for you every few days or so, I believe, and have new content every week. So like, comment, subscribe, ask for things you'd like to see. In the meantime, keep staying safe, keep having fun, and practice.